guys, I am Naman Roy from ACM Student Chapter IIT ISM Dhanbad. I will be explaining how to use Google Sheet as your CMS database in this video. Before going to this video, I want to tell you what is content management system. As a developer, you might have had to make dynamic website and had to work with non-developers who manages the content. That would be really frustrating because they keep bugging you out with unending revisions on content, sometimes even after months of building the site, and you have to rewrite the code. In order to prevent this, we give them Google Sheets to updating the content themselves. This is what content management system is, and we use Google Sheet as CMS database. Now let's get started. I explain this video by making profile card in which all the data comes from the Google Sheet. Now first of all, you have to make a blank open sheet. Now here in the profile ID, I want to show the user's name, branch, its college and its email. Now here I already put some dummy data into it so that I can show you how it will work. Now in the image, you have to put an image link. For those images which are stored in local computer, you first of all you have to upload it on a Google Drive and get it shareable link. Let me show an example. Now here this is a me.jpg file in my Google Drive. I will get it shareable link and copy this link and just paste it in one of the image link. Okay, now first of all we have to make some changes because we want the thumbnail image format, not a file format. So we will just replace it from a thumbnail. Where ID is this, and we will remove this part from the back. Similarly, we have to do for the rest of them. Now after that, you have to publish it to the web. Now make sure that it is entire document and publish it. After publishing, your Google Sheet is ready. Now let's come to the coding part. Now here, this is an index file in which basic body is already written. Now here we use two JavaScript files. First one is jQuery and another one is tabletop.js. Tabletop.js takes a Google spreadsheet and makes it easily accessible through a JavaScript. Basically, it takes the link of your Google Sheet and makes it a JSON file, and after that it parses it into a JavaScript object. So we can either manually do it, but it's better to use tabletop.js. Now let's do the coding function in it. In this I will use tabletop.init. Here I will use key. In this key I have to paste the link of my spreadsheet as it is. And then we have to make a callback to another function. I will name it as show info, and then one thing that is simple sheet, and that is true. After that we will make a function which is show info here we will make data and then table top. Now here we can add element to our div class container, whatever we want, using an append function. So first of all, you will select the container class and append it in it. So now I will open a div tag, then I will open an image tag in it. Now one thing I forgot is that we have to make an for loop. Variable I is equal to 0, I less than data dot and I plus plus. Okay, fine. Just make it a bottom. Yes, now it's okay. Now image source, and I will just put the image in it. Data I dot image link and just close this tag. After that I will open an h1 tag. Just make data I dot name and then close this h1 tag, and then I will open an para tag, p tag, and here I will write data I dot branch and once again I will open an p tag. Content is well loaded, then I will want to call this function in it. Now let's see what happens. So I will just go here in my project ACM sample and run index.html. So now it looks like this. Now I have to make some style so that I can make at least three cards in a row. So I have to put some style on this div tag. So I will make a class named card in it. Now I will make a link to this. I will make an style.css. In style.css I will make the card, and .card I will write, first of all I have to write float left because I want to put these cards in a horizontal manner, and then I will make width of them as 32% so that at least three cards can come in a row, and I will make margin as 5 pixels, and then I will make text align to the right, and then box shadow 0 pixels to the right, 4 pixels to the bottom, and 8 pixels as a blur, and my favorite hex code 01418b. Now let's see that how it looks. So that is okay. What's the problem here? Let's see it. So we have closed this tag. Okay, now I have to write it here, text align center. So now I will see it. So yes, that's right. So this is what I want to say, that I want to make a profile ID where all the data comes from the Google Sheet.